Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have a package, and it has arrived. Stating the obvious is something that I think should be done more often for obvious reasons. And in this case, the obvious thing that this package has arrived is denoted because my hand is on it, and I'm going to open it up. Inside of this package is something that is going to be a continuation of a collection that I'm doing called the Queen's Beast that started in 2016, and this is the latest. So let's get into this. Let's explore. And that's right, we've done 2 intros now. You've seen 2 intros, the very exact same intro. And I'm going to throw in a 3rd intro just for the fun of it. Why? And it's going to be the same intro that you saw before. And I encourage you not to skip past it. I want you to watch it again. Just because I want to annoy my audience just slightly, just ever so slightly. So let's explore again. All right, that's enough. Now let's get into the package here. This is the next in the Queen's Beast series from Monument Metals. Ordered it from them when they came on pre-order. So let us get into this package here. It is in there good. Yes, indeed. Sure is. Let's see if we can get that thing out. I think we'll have to cut this thing again. Saw it. There we go. Now we'll pull the contents out. And of course, as always is the case, we have a package within a package. And press here to tear. So we will do that. Get everything out. Yeah, unboxings are not quite what they used to be in the past. Sometimes you guys like to see the struggle, so I will do it. Let you know that it has arrived. And here we go. Out they come. All right, there they are, the new Queen's Beast. Now, this is the White Horse of Hanover. The 2-ounce. You saw me when I did a video on this, reviewing this earlier. This is 2020. This is second for the year 2020. And it is actually, too, the 9th in the series. One more to go after this. And that will be the Greyhound. It will be the final one. And so here we go. So there it is, the White Horse. Some of you have commented that this design is actually not the best of the series. And I would have to agree, it's not quite as spectacular as what we had seen in the past, but nonetheless, it is in keeping with the series for sure. But I think the mane could have probably done a little bit better, and the muscles in the neck look kind of weird. It's like a wrinkly, kind of strange, which the renderings didn't really show that as much. So, but nonetheless, here it is. This is the 2-ounce silver. And then, of course, on the obverse, we have the Queen, which is consistent through all of those, except for the first several releases. I think the first 3 releases, the Queen side actually had a different kind of stucco type of pattern. This is more of a galoche pattern that's there to it. And then we have the 1/4 ounce gold. This one is taped shut. I'm not going to pull that out, but here is the gold. White Horse of Hanover. And there it is, and it's the 1/4 ounce gold. This is the smallest gold size you can get. It also comes in a 1 ounce gold, But I decided just to stick with the quarter-ounce gold for these. And there that is. I might take it out of the package here just to show these. And they are, it's a relatively inexpensive way to collect the whole series in gold and silver, because the silver also comes in a 10-ounce version, 10-ounce variety, and the gold comes in 1 ounce and quarter-ounce variety or size. And so this is a way to be able to accumulate these with the cheapest options out there. So let's pull the gold out here so we can take a little closer look at it. What I like about the gold 2 ounce, or the quarter-ounce size, if I can get it to come out of there, is that it's a little larger than usual diameter for many quarter-ounce pieces out there, and that means that you can see the design better on a smaller size coin or smaller weighted coin. So you can really, it's a thinner piece, but it lets you allow to see the design, I think, more fully on this particular size, which I like that. I think that makes it for a nice collecting, to be able to collect gold in this manner of form. The 1 ounce sizes are obviously a lot more pricey, and to commit to 10 of those would be difficult for some, including me. As I like the series, but not so much to be able to accumulate them all in 1 ounce gold. So I figured I'd get the 2 small sizes in gold and silver. They're also available in platinum, but I decided against platinum and went ahead and decided to get these things in gold and silver and the smallest sizes that they had available. It's amazing. They don't have a 1 ounce size for these. And I think that's quite intriguing in a way that they don't. But that's okay. I like the 2 ounce thick. Really, thick and thin here in this particular case, because you've got a thick gold, a thick silver, and a thin gold there. So there you have it. So that is it. Let's see if we can get these around so you can see this a little better. Maybe I'll put it on this side. Very good. All right. Gold and silver. Queen's Beast, the second to the last. And the second to the last means that it is almost time for the series to end, which means that it is time for a collection to end. There it is. Post your thoughts below. Would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.